So now it's time to introduce the speakers for our first session, Habitat Restoration. I'll introduce them all now, very briefly, and then ask them to come to the podium one by one, and at the end they'll answer your questions together. So first on our panel this morning is Matisko, who will show us a bird's eye view of some restoration sites. Melissa works for Manatee County Government as their creative video and marketing editor. So Melissa, come on up. Oh, she's got cool stuff.
Hi, I'm Melissa Matisko, and I work for Manatee County Government. I don't know how I'm going to follow your speech, but I'm not an astronaut, but I am a certified Part 107 drone pilot. So I really enjoyed what you had to say about a passion for a mission, because I started flying 4 years ago. I got a drone for Christmas, and it took me about 6 months before my hand stopped shaking, because I was afraid I was going to lose it. I was afraid I was going to crash it. But what it taught me was humility, because every day what we see is what we look at in front of us. We can see what's to our right, what's to our left, and if we turn around, we can see what's behind us. But when you fly a drone, you can see the whole picture. And that's what made me fall in love with flying. You can see so much more that's out there, and you realize, you're just one little speck. So it's all about perspective and how you look at things. And with working with the county, I have been honored to see habitat restoration firsthand. I get to go out and see the volunteers working, and then I get to see the change that they create in a different way that anyone else gets to see it. Before we play this video, which I have to wrap it up because it's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. I just want you guys to know that if you fly drones, you have to have permission before you fly it on a preserve. So everything that I've flown and I've shot, I've gotten permission by the department directors. And you have to be careful with the wildlife. They let me know if there's eagles' nests and stuff. So with that, I'm going to show you a bird's eye view of habitat restoration. So I just want to say that there's so many benefits to this machine, whether it's information, what you can see, it's just amazing. And drones are making life and the way we do work simpler. I work for county government, and we've actually are on our way to have a drone policy, and we have about 20 certified drone pilots now, and you can use drones information for GIS mapping, for public works, for inspections, the thermal imaging to see. It's just, the possibilities are endless. So, whenever you see a drone, we're not spying on you. We're actually doing good things out there, and we care about our community and we care about our environment. So that's all I got.
Melissa. You're going to go right over there and sit down, aren't you? All right.